Thinking about hiring a professional cleaning service in Canberra, but not sure if it's worth the cost? Let's break it down and see why thousands of locals choose Spotless4u cleaning services. In Canberra, professional cleaning services usually charge anywhere from $60 to $100 per hour, depending on the job and the company. For example, regular home cleaning can start from around $90, $150 per visit. Spring cleaning can range from $250. End-of-lease cleaning can cost anywhere from $400 to over $1,000, depending on the size of the property. Office or commercial cleaning is usually billed weekly or monthly, with prices from $50 per hour. Carpet cleaning often starts from $90. Oven cleaning often costs between $110 and $200. But here's the thing. Many companies in Canberra charge premium prices without always delivering premium results. At Spotless4u, we believe in providing the highest quality cleaning at a budget-friendly price. Our services are transparent with no hidden fees. You only pay for the service you need. Regular cleaning start from just $110. Spring cleaning with us starts at just $201. Oven cleaning is available from $120. End-of-lease cleaning is affordable with packages designed to meet landlord and agent checklists without breaking the bank. So, what makes Spotless4u different? We are a real service provider in Canberra, not a third-party contractor. Our cleaners are fully trained, police-verified, and use professional-grade equipment for every specific service. We are an Australian-registered company, and for your peace of mind, we also have company insurance to cover any unexpected issues. With over 8 years of experience and hundreds of 5-star reviews from happy clients, we're proud to be one of Canberra's most trusted cleaning companies. So, is professional cleaning in Canberra worth the cost? Absolutely. When you choose Spotless4u, you'll save time, stress less, and enjoy a spotless space without overspending. Ready to book your next cleaning? Visit our website or call us to book your service today. Spotless4u, your trusted local cleaning service in Canberra.